Hi, good day everyone. Welcome to my another video. For today's video, I will going to show you my new Lotus 1500W circular saw, which is I bought this from Shopee. And today, if you are new to this video, you can click the like button and also the notification bell for subscribing my another video. And today's video, I will show you what's inside of this box, this Lotus 1500W circular saw. And let's say what's the content in these boxes and in this box. So today we have our saw guide. So this is the saw guide, which is when you cut some like a 20 centimeters long, you can use this one. So it's a little bit shorter than the rest of some of the cutting guides. And we have the wrench, because this saw is, they're using a I think it's 14 millimeter wrench. And there you go. There's the beast, the Lotus 1500W circular saw. So one thing I like, this saw has a, I think it's 3 meters long cord, and also has a for the dust collector. This one, there's the opening for the dust collector, and also there's the good thing about this saw is the knob for adjusting the blades is here, so you can adjust your blades on how deep your blade to cut. So this one, like this one. So our adjustment is from 10 millimeter to 60 millimeters. So here, this is the yellow one, which is for the cover, automatic cover. And this one is very good because I tried this one and I love the torque. The torque is very good. And this one is for the bevel adjustment or the angles, and this one is for the guide, how to put the guide. It depends how what's the situation of your cuttings. So this one, like this. If you cut like this one, you can do that. So that's the guide. That's the purpose of the guide. So you can easily cut for your desired measurements. And the next one is we have the 7 1/4 blade, which is 185 millimeter. The thickness is 185 millimeter, which is good for cuttings for plywoods, and has a 24 teeth. This is good for this one is. Because why is it? It's only 24 teeth. Because the purpose of this one is for fast cutting. So especially like you're cutting plywoods, like a 3/4 thickness, it like cuts like butter. So it's very good, and it's really good also. I like Lotus. This is what I like Lotus, because even though it's cheap, but it's very durable. And next, we have the manual, the operation manual. And the good thing also I like about this one is they have the spare carbon brush. So it's very good, and I like Lotus. So this is not only the Lotus product that I have right now. I have my Lotus trimmer and I have my Lotus grinder. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I hope that it will help you a lot on how to choose and on choosing good and affordable tools for your DIY works or for your woodworking shops. Thank you so much and have a good day.